As a trader, one single bad trade can wipe you out. And in today's video, I will teach you how to avoid that. Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves Weekly Forex Forecast. Guys, I hope you are ready for this video. I'll start with the XY as usual. I'll cover all this here. Euro dollar, pound dollar, gold, all the way down to US oil, Bitcoin, and US30. Those of you are new, I am Alan, trading coach and co-founder of We Trade Waves. And if you want to know more about us, check the description, check the first comment, and check our website. It's WeTradeWaves.com. So for this one, starting with the XY, last week I said to you initially, we'll wait for market to go to the upside. So short term up, this was the move. After that, another opportunity here. And then after that, after the news, market dropped to the downside. This is actually part of the structure and this part of the waves. For this one, after this, Alan, what's next? If you made money here, you should have made money actually with this upwave first, with this upwave second, and then after that, market dropped. This, guys, is part of the corrective structure. So next, regarding this one, starting from Monday, short term, we are expecting the XY to go to the upside. It's short term scalping. If you get a buy setup, you can go for it. This upwave, it can take us all the way up to this level or even to the upwave, or I would say to break this top and this top before the next drop. So short term to the upside, after that to the downside. Mid to long term, the XY will fall after the completion of the structure. The structure is in the making, and what we can see here, it's just market to go to the upside correctively or impulsively, and then after that, another drop will be coming. Alright guys, if you want to know the levels will be shared tomorrow by T during the Sunday session for WTW Pro members. If you want to join the program, you can check the website. You can keep watching till the end. I have the video at the end of this forecast to show you our program. So for this one, I hope this is clear. Euro dollar, exactly the same thing. Market gave us this drop here just to show you. This drop, this upwave, this drop, and then this up move. All of this is part of the structure. What's next, Alan? One more fall before the next upwave, and then after that, market will be falling. It's step-by-step process. It's the market makers framework. They always do that, and we can actually read that and trade every single wave. Again, short-term scalping trade to the downside. After that, we'll get one more push up before the next drop. Which wave to trade is up to you. Weighted waivers, you know which wave actually, and the trades, you will get them anyway by T tomorrow during the Sunday session starting at 12 p.m. UK time. Again, those of you are not part of the program, you can check the description, check the first comment, and check the website. For this one, I hope this is clear. Pound dollar, exactly the same thing. This is part of the corrective structure that we can see. So up, corrective structure up, and now we're expecting market to go to the downside. Usually pound dollar is famous with expansions, which means running or expanding flat before the next structure. Okay, so this can simply be a expanding flat here like this, just to show you, before the next structure. If you want to sell this one, you should know how to trade it. If you have a system, great. If you have a strategy, great. If not, make sure to learn how to trade correctly before you risk your money. Like I said at the beginning, one single bad trade can wipe you out. And for that, guys, you have to reduce your risk and you have to know what you are doing. So if you are risking 5-10% to trade, or if you are trading without stop loss, that's really bad. You have to risk only 1 to 2% per trade max. This is how you can control your risk. In trading, you cannot avoid losses, but you can manage them wisely if you know how to do that. So in short, you have to learn how to lose in trading just to protect your capital, because protecting capital is first before you grow it. You get me, guys? So that's why, guys, learning how to trade correctly is very important instead of you actually risking big, gambling the next wave, and losing again and again. Do not waste more time and money. Join, learn, and get everything from one single program, which is WTW Pro. If you want to know more details, description, first comment, and the website. Gold, for this one, most of you know that we are biased to the upside. I said to you guys, we'll wait for the buy setups, and we're having a high chance for market to take liquidity under this low before the next upwave. Instead, market decide to break this top, and after that, this turns out to be bullish and all the way to these levels. Again, back to the 1 hour, they actually mentioned to our members, if you remember during the private sessions, if gold will break this level, it will be bullish. And that's what happened. After this upwave, corrective structure up. In all the cases, we're having a buy setup here as well, not a sell setup. So we're waiting for the buy setup from these levels, or ideally from these levels. Instead, market went to the upside from here. It was great. So for this one, market went to the upside. It was bullish. This was the break of the structure. This is where gold turns bullish. Corrective structure up. What's next, Alan? Corrective structure. One push up will be coming before the next move. So for gold, any pullback, it will be a buy opportunity before the next structure. Unless something happens again between Iran and US, and this will be falling one more time. But for now, based on the structures, based on the current market setup, corrective structure is expected before the next up wave. And this correction will be similar to this one, or even a bit bigger, similar to this one. In all the cases, weighted waivers, you know how to trade this one and how to make money trading the next wave for gold. All the details about the levels we share tomorrow by T during the Sunday session at 12 p.m. UK time. Do not miss it. Aussie dollar for this one, exactly the same thing. Market will just actually give us a drop, up, and then another fall. This will be the first move of the structure. This will be the second hit to the downside as a short-term move. After that, we'll update you. For now, any sell setup we get for Aussie dollar from here or from above this top, we'll go for it to the downside before any next structure. New Zealand dollar for this one, again, the same thing. Market can give us just a pullback or corrective structure, one push up before the next move. So initially, if you want to sell this one, you can go for it. After that, up wave will be coming before the next big structure. Dorian for this one, again, market is giving us this pullback, this drop. Like I said to you last week, market will push to the upside after this drop. We've got this up wave. What's next, Alan? This can be an expanding flat and then one push up before the next structure. This can be a bigger regular flat before the next drop. For now, any buy setup we get for Dorian, we'll go for it to the upside, like to break this top, and after that to complete the bigger structure. I cannot, guys, explain more than that because it will be not fair for our paid members, but just for you to know, this up wave, this the drop, corrective structure drop, this expanding flat, after that, this up wave. Now, after the completion of this structure, another wave will be coming. For now, you can focus on this first before the next move. Let's keep it simple for now, okay? Dollar Swiss for this one, again, the same thing. This a complete structure here, one push up before the next wave. This up wave, it can be just a running flat here in the middle. Then we have this up wave, we have this corrective structure, and then this up move before the next drop. So initially, any buy setup we get, we'll go for it, and this will be short-term move, not a long-term setup, okay? DORCAD, after this drop, market is expected to give us a corrective structure here, one more drop, another push up before the next structure. It's a complex move because this again linked to USOil, but still, if we get a corrective structure here, one more drop, another up wave will be coming. I'll be trading this up wave before any next structure if market will give me this setup for DORCAD, okay? USOil for this one, market actually gave us this drop before reaching this top. No problem, that's fine because the structure was complete here anyway, but I was expecting one push up before the next drop. No problem, we've got this drop here and we've got this corrective structure. If actually I hide everything just to show you something here, I always say to you, if you get this corrective structure, then sharp drop, and then a corrective wave, this is a bearish structure, which means a continuation to the downside. That's exactly what happened here. So our members, they know that from here, market will be falling. And for weighted waivers, they know that they should trade the impulsive waves. Impulsive waves are the sharp and fast move. This is where you make money in short time. And that's why you have to learn how to trade correctly before you risk your money. That's important and that's essential for you if you are serious about trading and want to make money on a consistent basis as a trader, okay? So for this one, after that corrective structure up and then one more fall will be coming for USOil. This will be a corrective structure for me. And again, short-term corrective structure up. If you want to go for this as scalping trade, you can go for it. And after that, if nothing happens, one more fall will be coming for USOil to the downside. This wave and this wave is what we'll focus on internally for USOil. All right. Bitcoin for this one, market went to the upside as expected. I said to you last week, this is actually a corrective structure and potentially one push up will be coming. If you took this buy, you must have made money. Our members, they took some of the buys as well. This actually YouTube channel. There's our website if you want to check. We're rated excellent on Trustpilot as well. We're actually the unique ones who are rated 4.8 on Trustpilot, more than 715 reviews. You can check this by yourself. By the way, you can click here and just to read the comments. But I just want to show you first thing first this. And I want to say thanks to Muna and Joshin for doing the sessions. You guys are amazing with all actually the seniors and moderators who are helping the community. With this one, guys, this is what you need actually as a trader. You need supportive community. We have that for you internally. And I just want to show you something as well regarding the success stories, just to show you what our members are doing even for the crypto. This was a buy from here to the upside. Okay, so imagine actually, you know, like this going to the upside and you take these sort of setups. Back to Bitcoin, market went to the upside again. What's next? Corrective structure up before the next move. This will be a 5 waves corrective structure here for us. Okay, so up, corrective structure up. After that, we'll update you. For now, any corrective structure, just to let you know, it will be a buy setup for weighted waivers to the upside regarding Bitcoin. Okay, US30 market went to the upside again after the completion of this corrective structure. It went back up. You know, actually the levels shared by team internally. Then after that, corrective structure one push up will be coming before the next move. Most of our members, most of you know what I said to you like 1 year ago. I said to you, actually, guys, the stock market should go to the upside. And we have the proof anyway. I might show it to you later just to not waste time here. But market will keep pushing the upside. This is actually the top. Look at this one, the daily structure. This is the top. Market is pushing to the upside. Okay? Drop up, corrective structure up, corrective structure up, corrective structure up. All the investors are happy now. But this will be giving us a big drop very soon. I don't want you actually to scare regarding this one. If you're an investor, you know what to do. If you're a trader, you don't care about the big waves. For this one, short term, up, corrective structure up before the next structure. I don't want you guys to lose all your money if market decide to give us a big pullback or a big drop. That's why follow us on a daily basis if you can. Join, learn to know what you do, and actually to learn how to make money on a consistent basis as a trader. If you are serious about learning how to trade the right way, then this video is for you. Most traders don't fail because of the market. They fail because they lack proper trading education. I'm Alan, trading coach and co-founder of Free Trade Waves, and in the next 3 minutes, I will show you what's included inside WTW Pro, the program that has helped thousands of traders succeed, and how you can be next. Step 1, start with WTW Basic Course. Even if you think you already know the basics, watch it. Our goal here is simple: build the foundation. Step 2, go straight into the WTW Masterclass course. This is where the real WTW framework starts. Don't rush it, take notes, pause, rewatch, and ask questions. In this Masterclass course, we'll teach you everything about weighted waves, wave analysis concept, strategies, exits, entries, risk management, money management, everything. Step 3, the Q&A session recordings. Yes, they are a lot, and yes, it takes time, but listen carefully. This is where I cover the advanced part of weighted waves concept. Even you can find the long-term sessions that are covered by T usually at the start of every year. But again, this way traders level up because you hear real questions, real chart situations, real mistakes, and real solutions. If you only do the courses and you skip the Q&A session recordings, you are leaving the pro level on the table. You don't want to do that. Step 4, join the day live sessions and ask questions. Starting with the Sunday session, every Sunday covered by T. Don't be a silent member. The fastest way for you to improve is to watch live analysis, ask your questions, and get corrected. And also, this is how you will build confidence. This is a mentorship. Use it. Step 5, this is not an overnight flip. Remember, this is not join today, rich tomorrow. Trading is a skill, like a profession. You are building discipline, execution, psychology, and consistency. If you respect the process, the results will follow. Step 6, WTW is not only about trading, it's a complete system. And you are not a signal service anyway. Even if you have the Sunday live sessions and we share the trades of the week, and we have the Wednesday update and the day live sessions, we also teach you about investing, long-term wealth thinking, and how to build financial freedom the smart way. Because the goal is not only to win one trade, the goal is to win in life with money, time, and freedom. And you can achieve that anyway. And finally, step 7, trust the process and follow the roadmap. Basic course, masterclass course, Q&A session recordings, and daily live sessions. If you follow this roadmap, you will be shocked how much clarity you will gain in the next weeks and months. Welcome again to WTW Pro. Now please join the Discord community from the Discord tab on your dashboard, and I'll see you inside.